Hey, don't you scroll past this video. Today is Friday, and I have a message for y'all. The message is coming from the Six of Pentacles. And as y'all see on this card, they look like they've been struggling financially. Six is dealing with improvements, harmony. And Pentacle deals with your finances, with your stability and structure, right? So I feel like this weekend, Spirit is saying, baby, I'm going to bless you financially. I don't know if some of y'all about to get a raise, or some of y'all finna get hired on in a new job, or some of y'all finna get some type of inheritance. Some type of moolah is going to come to you this weekend. So be open to receiving, and we ain't stressing today. No, not today, okay? I love y'all, and I pray that y'all receive everything y'all needed today. Peace.